Scalpel? Okay, got it. All right, today we're operating on two massive food channels, both bleeding attention but flatlining on income. Time to open them up and see where the monetization artery got severed. Let's begin.
We're talking about creators with viral videos but no back end business. We'll walk through exactly where the money is leaking and how to patch it up with a real value ladder. But I won't be doing this alone. I've brought in someone who knows brand monetization inside and out, the other half of WholeMind Media, Zack Crane.
Dissect some channels.
All right, first up, Rachel Ama. Great visuals, strong brand, loyal audience, which is not hard to imagine. Just take a look at this short clip.
I'll bring like the cake.
You can make a cake?
Yeah, I mean,
Just awesome. But from a monetization standpoint,
She's leaving so much on the table. Her main link, like most creators, is her website. This is great, but there are far too many distractions when it comes to a website. If I'm a viewer and I'm interested in, say, her cookbook, when I click on the link to purchase it, I go to the website, maybe I see some sauces, maybe I see the ebook she has, or many other distractions. I may not even end up buying anything.
yeah, and there's no lead magnet, no capture, no nurture sequence. Imagine if she had a free vegan 3-day detox as her entry point.
Exactly. She could segment those emails: meal preppers, weight loss seekers, plant-based newbies, and serve each one an offer that fits.
Yeah, exactly. That's how you go from cookbook sales to course to group coaching to retreats. It's a real business, not just content.
Hi, Dr. WholeMind here. Are you experiencing symptoms like no offer, no list, and no money? You might be suffering from funnel deficiency. The treatment? This free guide. Turn your followers into buyers. Download it now before it spreads.
Alright, let's talk about FitMenCook, Kevin. His content is great. He's consistent, he's branded, he is visually strong.
Yeah, but again, it's a storefront without a front door. No free entry point offer, no email capture, no value ladder.
Yeah, this is built like an e-commerce brand, not really a media business. He has the potential to own a health empire, but he's actually running it like a farmer's market.
Yeah, imagine a $27 meal prep challenge or a monthly subscription that includes weekly shopping lists and accountability check-ins.
Yeah, he could double down his income without even touching his content strategy.
The symptoms are clear. What these creators need isn't more content, it's conversion, and that means a value ladder.
Alright, so real quick, let's talk about this value ladder. This is just a simple way to take someone from being a casual follower to a paying customer. Each level of the ladder builds more trust, gives more value, and offers a chance to go deeper with you. So first up, we have the lead magnet. This is your free gift, something valuable that solves a small problem and helps people get a quick win. For Rachel, it could be the top 7 plant-based meals you can make in 30 minutes or less. It builds trust, and most importantly, it gets people on your email list. This then sets the stage for everything else. So next is your low ticket offer. This is usually under $100, and it's the first step in turning your subscribers into buyers. This can be your cookbook, an ebook, or like Rachel, a bunch of sauces. Some of you probably already have this, but it's just about positioning it correctly in the system. Next up in the ladder, we have your mid-ticket offer. This is where we give people a deeper transformation, usually somewhere between $100 and $1,000. It could be a pre-recorded course, maybe weekly group coaching. This gives them structure, support, and real results without needing your one-on-one time. And finally, we have your high ticket or premium offer. This is for your super fans, the one who want direct access to you. It could be private coaching, a live retreat, or even a VIP experience somewhere exotic. This is where you charge $1,000 or more because they're not just buying info, they're buying access and experience. Now you may be thinking, who would pay me thousands of dollars? And the reality is there is a small percentage of your followers or subscribers that money is no issue to them. They have a need or desire to learn more and are willing to pay you for whatever it takes to get the results they want. This is your value ladder. That's it. And once it's built, it works behind the scenes and turns your content into a full-blown business.
If this hit a nerve, it's time to stop relying on views and start building a real business. Grab our free guide, Turn Your Followers into Buyers, and we'll show you the 3 systems every creator needs to monetize without burning out.
And stay tuned for our next video. We're going to build a mini offer together, step by step. You'll see how to sell even when you don't think you have anything. And remember, you build the audience, we build the system.
Together, we make the money.
See
See
you
you
in the
in the
next
next
one.
one.